Work, kids, deadlines, life's busy, right? But here at SlimSync, we've got your back. Today, I'll show you 5 fast, delicious, and weight-loss-friendly meals, all ready in just 10 minutes. Perfect for busy professionals who want to eat healthy without wasting time. You say, you don't have time to cook? That's just an excuse. You don't need hours in the kitchen to eat well. All you need is a plan, fresh ingredients, and a little common sense. These aren't complicated recipes, just smart, efficient cooking for maximum flavor and nutrition. 10 minutes is all you need to transform your day. Ready to stop the excuses and start eating like you care about yourself. Let's get cooking. First up, breakfast. The meal you're most likely to skip or mess up. Forget sugary pastries or skipping entirely. We're making an overnight egg and veggie jar. Hard-boil a couple of eggs, chop them up, and layer them in a jar with thick Greek yogurt for creaminess. Add chopped celery, red bell pepper, and a bit of red onion for crunch and flavor. Top with fresh spinach or arugula for nutrients and color. Layer it, yogurt, eggs, veggies, greens. Make it look good, you'll want to eat it. Screw on the lid, pop it in the fridge, and grab it in the morning. Eat it straight from the jar wherever you are. You get protein, healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins, all in 5 minutes of prep. No more excuses, no more sad breakfasts. This is how you win the morning and set yourself up for a successful day. The overnight egg and veggie jar. Simple, brilliant, and a game changer for chaotic mornings. Start strong, start right. Now, let's move on to lunch. Lunchtime. Don't let the midday slump win. Skip the food court and make a tuna avocado wrap fast, filling and packed with nutrition. Mash ripe avocado with lime juice, salt, and pepper for a creamy, energizing base. Add drained tuna, packed in water or olive oil, chopped red onion, and fresh herbs. Gently fold together for texture. Use a whole wheat tortilla for fiber and substance. Spread the mixture evenly. Add spinach, sliced tomatoes, and cucumber for crunch. Fold in the sides, roll it up tight. No mess, just a perfect wrap. Lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and veggies, all in under 6 minutes. Prep the filling ahead, or assemble fresh at work. This is your new power lunch. No more sad sandwiches or vending machine regrets. Take control of your lunch break and fuel your afternoon. Quick, versatile, and 1,000 times better than pre-packaged options. No more excuses, you can eat well, even on your busiest days. Ready for a dinner that's just as quick? Let's go. Dinner after a long day shouldn't mean a pile of dishes or greasy takeout. Try a 1-pan chicken and veggie power bowl. 10 minutes, 1 pan, 0 hassle. Slice a chicken breast thin for fast cooking. Chop broccoli, bell peppers, and snap peas to similar sizes. Heat a skillet, add a little oil, and sear the chicken until golden. Push chicken aside, add veggies, and toss everything together. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. Finish with a squeeze of lemon and fresh herbs for brightness. Serve straight from the pan. Lean protein, colorful veggies, and tons of flavor. Clean up? Just 1 pan. Swap chicken for shrimp or use whatever veggies you have. The principle: quick prep, hot pan, fast cook. You're always 10 minutes away from a healthy, satisfying dinner. No more excuses for takeout. You've got the skills and the recipe. Just do it. Now let's tackle those sugar cravings. When sweet cravings hit, don't sabotage your progress. Make a Greek yogurt and berry protein parfait. Creamy, sweet, and actually good for you. Start with thick Greek yogurt for protein and creaminess. Add a layer of fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Sprinkle chia seeds for fiber and texture. Repeat the layers: yogurt, berries, chia. Top with a little low-sugar granola or chopped nuts for crunch. Every spoonful is creamy, crunchy, and satisfying. High in protein, low in sugar, and full of fiber. It crushes cravings without the crash. Takes 2 minutes to assemble, faster than a trip to the shop. Keep the ingredients on hand and make the smart choice. This is your go-to when you want something sweet. Indulge your cravings the healthy way. Now let's finish strong with a dinner that beats takeout. End your day with a 10-minute quinoa veggie stir-fry. Hearty, healthy, and lightning fast. Use pre-cooked quinoa as your base, a complete protein and full of fiber. Heat a skillet with sesame oil, then add chopped garlic and ginger for aroma. Toss in mushrooms, shredded carrots and edamame, or whatever veggies you have. Stir-fry until tender crisp, about 3 minutes. Mix a quick sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of honey. Add quinoa to the pan, heat through, then pour in the sauce. Toss everything so the flavors coat every bite. Finish with sesame seeds and green onion for crunch and freshness. Spoon into a bowl. A steaming, nutrient-packed dinner in under 10 minutes. One pan, one bowl, one spoon. Cleanup is a breeze. Eating well on a busy schedule is about smart prep and simple ingredients. No more excuses. You can do this every night. Let's wrap it up. 5 easy 10-minute meals. No stress, no excuses, just healthy eating made simple. If you love quick, smart, and tasty meals, hit subscribe and join the SlimSync family. You have the power to change how you eat. It's a decision, not a time issue. These recipes prove a busy life, and a healthy life, can go hand in hand. So, what are you waiting for? The excuses are gone. Get in the kitchen, try these recipes, and feel the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense recipes. Now get cooking.